Alright guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, we say a very big welcome to you. We appreciate you. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and also click on the notification button to enable you see new of our video. Trust me guys, you can go to our website, just do your shopping. You see, we have a lot of testimony in there. When I mean a lot of testimony, people getting lighter in 1 week, 3 days, people getting lighter, in 7 days, knuckle, removing knuckles, stories, different testimonies, product working, a lot. That's why you have to go to our, Instagram and then see a lot of testimony, or go to austinglobalskincare.com. You see a lot of testimony. You know what I mean? As a matter of fact, it's what we said we have, what we said our product do. That is what you go see in there. Because a thing when people complain that, oh, the product, I bought it from this, I bought it that, it's not working. That is none of our product. Okay, this is where you see result in 7 days, in 3 days. Just tell us what you want. That is what we give to you. Okay, it is what it is. So we will remain on Stay Global Cosmetic. Okay, quick one today will be knowing about or learning about how to use some tubes and what those tube does also, because a lot of people be talking to me, how can them use tube, so like, is it advisable when you use tube? And actually, I must tell you this, the reason why people use tube, or is it bad or not? I would say from one perspective, it's not really bad. Okay, basically this tube, they are meant for a particular reason. In other words, they've been they made them for a kind of skin conditions. All right, yes. So but people abuse them. That's why we said sometimes, and they're made of steroid and then globatosaur. So the way people abuse them, so we say, is really sometimes bad or dangerous when you're using product like that. Okay, so you just have to be careful. All right, so I must want to start with some few tubes that I have in here. Basically, you all know this tube, this. I would want to start with this. You all know this. Let me show before I call the name. This is Fashion Fair. Okay, and this Fashion Fair, we have the gel, and also we have the cream. So I'm holding the one of the cream. All right, okay, and it's original. Okay, if you're the type that you use tube for your product, actually you might use your tube, do your thing, but it shouldn't be much. Like I told you, all this tube, they are being meant for a particular reason, a particular skin condition. And usually to be you should be your dermatologist will recommend for you, or doctor prescription, all that. So you can use this to lighten a spot, like a dark spot. All right, yes, you can use it to lighten a dark spot, and they will still tell you after using it for a while, when you are satisfied or certified for the reason that you used it for, then you can quit. But now people find out that why, hence is lightning, it work like this, so they tend using it constant instead of a period of time. And some people use this, even they go ahead to use not even one, they use like 10, so because I've seen people like that who do use it, so they use like 10. So apparently, do not forget that sometimes it might turns not doing the work, but give you reverse is the case. So let's put it that way, reverse is the case, and my intent gives you patches or give you some other skin condition. So like, you're running from one condition to others, not one is gonna come for you. All right, so you might just get like white patches, might just get like stretch mark, a lot of all that. So it is what it is. So I would advise, if you're using this, you can use it, can go ahead and use it. But if you're using this, you can just use it wisely. All right, wisely. because they are all steroid. And then when I tell you that steroid, they are made for a particular skin condition, to treat your skin. So a quick one, let's go for this one. Yo, look at it before I call the name, because if you don't see this, meaning 3 beta cream, also all these, they are made for skin condition. So apparently we're using them. You will see it will be written there, even you see that, oh, this thing is actually for this, but we're using it like to, we're just using it like to for other our heart desire, like, okay, hence is a lightning product. I think we can use it often. When you're using it often, it might cause you another side effect. That is what I'm trying to tell you. Not that when you use it, oh, meaning it's not good or it's bad. So those of you who use tube, fine. All right, then there's another one I want to show you also. Look at this one. All right, new light. All right, it's still the same. All right, yes, you might say, oh, but they put one girl inside now, showing that the minute you can use it, you can use. Fine, I never said you cannot use it. You can use it, but use them wisely. All right, because what you are running from, this can give you more than what you're running from. You're running from stretch mark, this can give you stretch mark plus white patches. It takes worry to say, let nobody deceive you, because the truth is that because they want to sell their products, they would just try to give you stories about that. But the truth is that steroid is steroid, global to soil is global to soil. Okay, so now some other one I want to show you that are really, these are not whitening, rather they are treatment, like for different ailments, like different reasons. All right, okay, when I say skin condition, you can take a seat, do what you want to do. All right, so when I say skin condition, you see some people, like the way back when I see some tube there, some people like Lizodem. Some people, they use Lizodem till they go do Lizodem and Lizodem. How they call that tube that year? Even when they cup. Some persons, they use it to make cream. Yes, they use it to make cream for people. All right, acne cream, irritation. So also some of all these products, I have that. I will be just, let me do this real quick. So this one, they are all for skin irritation. You can see this one also, so they are all for skin irritation. All right, triple action cream. So nail skin. So if you have, for those of you who do premix and use all this, you should know that's why you have to know the dosage you use, so that you will not get from one problem to another when you're trying to help somebody because you thought you know it very well, or you just want to please this person. Before you know it, you might fall another victim. Mostly now that NAFDAC is really getting involved with skincare. All right, so that is that. You can see this one also. There are different types, right? All these are for skin condition, and like the first 3 I showed you, they're for lightening, to get rid of dark pigment and all that. But these other ones I showed you, they are just for acne or skin irritation. All right, so it is what it is. For those of you who try to premix, please do the right thing. All right, do the right thing, not go destroy person skin. All right, so it is what it is. I remain Austin, Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, please subscribe, and also make sure you check us on Instagram, or check us on our website as well. You can see the handles on the screen. So it is what it is. I've told you this: if you're looking for a product you want to get instant result, check us out. It is what it is. Bye bye.